Welcome back to the video here on Anth.Tech, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at the Tarion 999 2-in-1 tripod. Okay, so like I said before, we're going to be taking a look at the Tarion 999 2-in-1 tripod. Now, the reason why I say 2-in-1 is because number one, you're going to get the tripod itself, which is the 3 legs, but then you can also break off this piece, the gold. It just unscrews, and then you can attach it to the top part to create now a monopod, which then has this little strap, which is nice for carrying around, and especially doing sport events. So let's go ahead and jump into the review over the Tarion 999 2-in-1 tripod. Okay, so here is the Tarion 999 2-in-1 tripod. Here we can see that it's got the 3 posts, and the 2 of them have that styrofoam, and the one that's gold goes to a tripod. Now here's also the nice carrying strap, that way you can take it with you. Then here is the pre-installed ball head that does come off if you needed to, but the one that comes on is actually pretty nice. It also features a quick release plate, which is nice to take on and off. So if you frequently take your camera off of a tripod and put it back on, this may be the best one for you. Now for the legs at the bottom, these are screw legs. They are not latch legs where you just unlatch it and then pull it out. These just loosen and then tighten, and they are pretty solid, which is really good, and it can hold about 8 kilograms. Now to adjust the tripod's width, all you got to do on each leg, there is a little thing that you pull out, and then you set that to your designed width. So here, if you pull it out even further, you can get the furthest width, and there's 2 different settings that you can pick from. So to convert this tripod into a monopod, first what you do is unscrew that first gold leg, and then at the bottom of the center pole, there's a little thing that you take out. Once you unscrew that, and then unscrew the top cap, the full center column slides right out. So then now to form the monopod, what you want to do is grab that one gold leg, and then screw that into now the center post, and now you have your monopod. So here's the monopod all ready to go, and the strap and everything is really nice for carrying around and doing sporting events. So then again, just unscrewing that one bottom post leg and then tightening back up, and then here's the second one, and then even the third, just getting that perfect height, and it can go about 62 inches high, which is really good. So now using the ball head, you have a lock and free. By doing that, it allows you to twist the camera in any way, and there is a little outlet on the right side, that way you get that perfect profile shot and angle. But here you can just move it around, and then that way you get all your freedom. And then once you're done doing that, all you have to do is twist that knob to the locking position, which is to the right, and then you're set. Then here on the left, there's another knob, and by unscrewing this, it allows you to move it left and right, which is very smooth. And after this clip, you're going to see the shot that was off of the iPhone. There we can see just how smooth it actually is. So here's the video. I'm gonna start the recording. Then here we can tell just how smooth it is. And then again, like I said before, once this clip is done, you actually see the iPhone footage. Okay, so here is the footage now off of the iPhone 10. Here you can just see how smooth that ball head actually is. Okay, so I was going to wrap up the review over the Tarion 999 2-in-1 tripod. Now the link to this will be down below where you're going to check that out. And if you do end up buying this tripod, it does actually help out the channel, so I really do appreciate that. Also, don't forget to slap a like on this video down below if you enjoyed. Also, don't forget to check out the Anth.Tech premium subscriber portal, which is on my website, linked down below, and you can get your first month for free. And in there, you're going to get early Anth.Tech videos and also paid only content that will ever and only be inside of that portal. So we're going to do that while you can, which is $2 of value if you use the special code YouTube. So that's going to wrap up the video, and as always, stay classy.